Guests complain.
Waiter,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
could you give me the menu, please?
Here you are, ma'am.
Thank you.
Meanwhile,
Are you ready to order, ma'am?
I want to order a chicken soup.
Okay, ma'am. Only chicken soup?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, ma'am. I will serve it within 10 minutes.
after 10 minutes,
Here's your order, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your soup.
Excuse me,
Yes, ma'am.
would you mind telling me who cooked this?
What's wrong, ma'am?
Well, as you can see, I ordered a chicken soup, not a hairy soup. There's a hair in my soup.
I apologize, ma'am. If you don't mind, we can change with the better one.
No, just call the manager.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I am the manager. How can I help you?
I found a hair in my soup.
What? Can I see?
Is this a hairy soup?
No, ma'am. We apologize for that. Allow me to replace it with a better one.
Okay, fine.
I assure you, ma'am, that it won't happen again. As a token of our apologize, we won't charge you for the soup.
That's good. I hope I won't be disappointed with the food quality.
I will not, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your new soup, ma'am.
Okay, I hope it has no hair again.
Yes, ma'am. I'm really sorry. I will tell to my chef to check first the food before serving it. Thank you for your patience, ma'am.